obvious. I mean, it's not as simple as it would appear. Let me look at the standings, because I need to figure this out. Like, let's play e4 here. Nah, yeah, let's play e4. My tiebreak is garbage, so I need to try and win. I mean, I could draw and guarantee at least second, but I'm gonna try and I'm just gonna go for it. It makes sense to go for it. No reason not to. Like, what the difference between getting like a guaranteed second place, like $750, or just going for it, just doesn't really make a lot of sense. Besides, like, I'm having a good event. Like, I am gaining rating points right now, in spite of it. Bishop c5. Okay, but what I need to remember here is this is the evening title Tuesday. I cannot get low on time. So if I get low on time, I do something moronic. Is bishop g5 actually not okay? I mean, maybe it's got like some trick. I'm just gonna go h3, I guess. Like, the thing that usually happens in the evening TT is I get too low on time, and then I just like lose my mind, lose the game, which kind of happened in the game against Hans, kind of. But if I don't get super low on time, I mean, I should be okay. Let's go here. Normally, I put the bishop on this other diagonal, but I have this cheeky feeling that he's going to try to castle queenside for some reason. I have this feeling he's going to try to castle this way. I don't know why I feel like that, but I have... And now I put the bishop on the wrong diagonal, of course. Great. Okay, let's go knight g3, I guess. I was sure he was going to go to the queen side, so I put the bishop on b2. Now I'll castle. Pretty stupid by me, actually. Let's go rook d1. Pretty stupid. Pretty stupid. I'm not going to lie. Pretty stupid. But I'm still fine. Queen f6. Queen d3 seems okay. I mean, I could obviously just trade the queens and try to make a draw, but I'm going to try to win this game. Because if I win this game, I mean, I don't know if the tiebreaks get me high enough up the leader, but this actually I'm very happy to see. Because now I can go here and start to reroute my bishop back to the correct diagonal. No, I'm very happy to see this, actually. Very, very happy. He just played a bad move. It's not like it's losing or anything, but he just let me get the bishop on the right diagonal for no reason at all. And if queen g6, there's maybe knight d5. Maybe I just... wait, okay. Let's think about it. So if I go king h2, there's knight f6. If I go king h1... He's trying to go knight f6, I guess. I can also play bishop e3 here. Okay, don't think too long. Just keep the flow going. Don't think too long. That's the main thing here, is I just need to not think too long. Let's take... So the f5, I'm going to get some knight d5. There's still knight b5 here. There's also f4 here, which probably is good, but I don't particularly love it. I can also just go a4, but I don't want to do that either. Bum. I need to come with a move. I don't like f4. It's too slow. I don't like knight d5. I don't like knight b5. I don't like anything, and so what am I even doing here? I'll just go here. I don't like a4. I actually don't like just about any move in this position for me. But after b6, there should be some strategical weaknesses now. I'll just go here. Okay, plays queen g5. I expected that. Let's just go like... I'm gonna go here, knight e2 maybe? Maybe just back. Go f3. I still want to go knight b5 or knight d5 somewhere. This is very similar to a lot of games I played against Duda, where basically it's very, very slow game, and then eventually like something explodes at a critical moment. Here. Normally I try to keep the game very, very slow against Duda, and then when we get down to like 10 seconds, I try to basically outplay him, which is not too different from what happened in the Hans game. Only problem is it went the other way. So I want to go knight e2 and f4. 5f. Well, but now I think there's some trick with knight g6 at the end too. Duda playing very annoyingly, I should say. He's playing this very annoying, like very slow, grindy kind of position. I'm not really getting what I want. Yeah, I'm not getting what I want here, so... I need him to go f5 so I can put this knight on d5. Oh, he does do it. Okay. Wait a sec. So now I go f4. There's also h4 maybe as well, depending. But the key here is I just need to not lose my nerve. Really, really critical to not lose my nerve, because kind of did lose my nerve in that Hans game. Even though I was up 10 seconds, I kind of panicked, made a couple of quick moves, and messed up. And here I'm up again, 30-ish seconds, and it's really critical that I keep my nerves together. So he goes there. But this should be... Wait. No, takes is wrong. This should be correct. Should be correct. I guard the pawn, I hit the queen, I have f5. Yeah, I'm gonna go f5. See what he does. He's getting very low on time as well. Finds queen g8, which is probably a great move. Or no, it probably is not, actually. Wait. Very important here to not lose my nerve. But I still don't have a clean. Thinking too long. Go here, maybe? I messed it up. I lost my nerve again. But he plays a move that I think is wrong. No, if he got rook f... Wait. Rook f6? Come on, you gotta move, you gotta move. G4 is a horrible move. What am I doing? I lost my nerve again. Why did I do that? Why am I losing my nerve again, just like in that game against Hans? Here, let's just go. There we go. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Jeez. Oh man, chess is too hard. Yeah. Chess is too hard.